Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation of TripForge, an autonomous AI travel concierge. We are Team Suchai featuring me and Tan Suchin. In this video, we will walk you through how we designed a cooperative team of AI agents that can build a custom travel schedules, check real-time condition, and automatically adapt itineraries when unexpected disruption occur. Let's dive in. Let's start with the problem statement. Planning a trip is exhausting. Travelers have to jump between a website to check weather, flights, local safety, law, budgets, diets, and accessibility requirement. But the real nightmare happens during the trip. A sudden transit strike, bad weather, or museum closure can ruin your schedule instantly. Existing travel websites are completely static. They can book a hotel, but they can't adapt if things go wrong. If the tourist landmark closes, you are left manually scrambling to rearrange your entire itinerary. TripForce serves this by shifting travel planning from a static list of suggestions into an adaptive resilience planning experience. To solve this, we move away from the traditional AI chatbot and build a multi-agent system agent teams. Instead of using one massive AI prompt to do all the work, which leads to hallucination and high token costs, we built a team of four specialized agents using the Google Agent Development Kit. First, the profile agent validates inputs, tests standardized budgets and travel dates while locking in safety requirements like food allergies or wheelchair access. Second, the research agents gathers data. It queries our MCP tools for live weather forecasts, country essentials, and attraction databases. Third, the itinerary agent builds the daily schedules, balancing spending limits and transit time while keeping travelers out of the rain. Finally, the disruptions agents act as our safety net. If a scheduled activity is cancelled, it runs automatically to find an alternative, recalculate the budget, and highlight the changes. This modular approach reduces LLM token costs by 40%. Here is our system architecture. TripForce is built on lightweight Flask backend that coordinates our agents and interface with standalone Model Context Protocol (MCP) server via Studio Transport. Rather than embedding API credentials directly inside the AI prompts, our fast MCP server exposes five secure tools: weather, country info, activity search, transit estimator, and disruptions checker. Here is our live dashboards. Once a server submits their destination and budget, the planning pipeline starts. So user must submit all the info that need to be filled, such as the date and time, the total budget, and the total days that need to stay, and how many person are there need to go there. And user must submit all the informations, what they need to do and what the requirement of their staying. So instead of displaying a blank loading screen, we use the server sends events to stream the live reasoning logs and agent states directly to the browser. You can watch the profile, research, and itinerary agents run, check step by step. So this is the output of the outcome, and that's the weather and the location that user wants to stay, and the emergency number and the tips that need to be considered when going to the country that want to travel. So there's the days that every single days that user want to travel. And move on to the anti-gravity. This is our anti-gravity agents, and the agent skills is up above there. And this is our agents. We're using the Gemini 3.5 Flash, and also we using the MCP, which is the constant customization for the MCP Cloud Run. We enable the Cloud Run so it's easier for us to implement it. For the build, we combine Python, Flask, and Tail VCSS for the front end alongside Google ADK and Fast MCP. We also integrate a mock simulation mod developer with our developer engine Anti-Gravity. If no Gemini API key is present, the app automatically switches to an offline mock runner. It executes the exact same SSE log loops and passing step, allowing anyone to test and grade the complete system offline with zero setup. TripForce represents a scalable, secure, and resilient multi-agent concierge. Thank you for watching.